Hi, what's up, guys? Thank you for joining me in this live stream. I'm just gonna post on like Twitter real quick. All right. Okay, so today is a day. It's Sunday, and I think yeah, I'm going to continue on creating this Learn Flutter app. So yeah, I have. Welcome. So I think last week what we have done so far is we probably have fixed or have created a feature where we are able to, check whether the answer is correct and check the answer whether it's wrong, and the UI has, has shown correctly, right? Okay, so let me go to my Figma file. So how are you guys doing in this time? Let me show you guys the Figma file. Okay, so bridge design code with variants. Cool. Okay. Hi Abhishek, what's up? Yeah, welcome to this Sunday. So a little quick I guess shout out, right? Well, let me think, where is it? Okay, so a little shout out to Flutter Buddies. If you guys don't know what Flutter Buddies is, it's a Discord channel where, like Flutter developers like you guys can join, and then we can hang out, So I'm one of the group leaders inside Flutter Buddies. So just join. Let me see if I can. I mean, they have their own like chat domain, flutterbuddies.com, right? Let's see if this works. But yeah, so join this channel if you are in Discord, because I think they are, yeah, they are pretty cool channel. I don't really join Discord channels that much, even though I have one, but yeah. So I guess now is the time to continue with this Learn Flutter app. Yeah, so you can join Learn Flutter Buddies. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so it's still loading. Is it still loading? Hello, sir. Providers is deprecated. Pub cache deprecated. Okay. All right. So from last week, if you were to go to a a simple test or whatsoever, and then if you were to choose a wrong answer and then you submit, you could see that the correct answer is the first one, and then you can't do much about it. All right, and then you can like continue. I don't know what continue does actually, but yeah. So if you were to go back and then go again, and then if you were to choose the correct answer, so I'm going to submit, and then this is the correct answer. All right, so today what I'm going to do, right, is I'm going to create this UI. So it's a very simple UI over here. Yeah. So it's going to be what do you call this, bottom thingy, where it just pops up if you were to click continue or show explanation. So this app, if you guys don't know, if it looks familiar, then you probably have created or used, not created, you have used this app called brilliant.org. So brilliant is brilliant. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, I mean they are brilliant. So if I were to visit their mobile site, right, and then if I were to just inspect it into their own like versions, so yeah, it looks similar in a sense. Because I mean I'm a fan of their work, so you could see like for example like this, and then you could see like the similarities in design. If you see over here, it's pretty similar or almost the same, but either way, so once I, for example, right, submit, it says incorrect or whatsoever, right? So then what you can do is, oh, it doesn't, oh, then it shows the answer. Oh, did they change the UI? Oh my god. Yeah, brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant. Let me check the iOS app. All right. Okay, so okay, one more thing that I want to show. Okay, this might be a little bit crazy, right? Wait. So I was like experimenting on like stuff. I guess stuff. Wait Okay. So like, for example, right? Then let me transition into this new format. So do you guys like this format? It's a little bit small, but you can see my whole face. But I think like I'll probably use this format or this layout in order for me to show something. So I have Brilliant on my phone. I assume Brilliant is made by React Native. But yeah, so like for example, daily challenge. So you guys can see I'm not like sponsored by Brilliant anyway. Please sponsor me, Brilliant. Yep. Okay, so if I were to click on this, right, for example, the first answer over here, and then actually I can just lower the freaking, if I lower this, it's okay, it's not that bright. You guys can see. Oh. Okay, right, so Brilliant has this, and then if you were to press submit, right, okay, then you see this continue and show explanation. Yeah, so that's the copy that I'm copying. So if you were to click continue, right, it will just go back to um it just goes back to your home screen. Yeah, so okay, that's easy. Okay, so I mean that's pretty easy, we can do that. But one thing that I want to show was that, like, so once you have show explanation, it pops out this bottom sheet bar if I'm not wrong, and then it will show your explanation of it. So that's what I wanted to do. Yeah, I'm looking at the screen, but I'm supposed to look at you guys. But yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Right, so I mean it's a little bit big. Yeah, thank you Dark Alpha. Yeah, I don't know, this is my 9th stream doing this Learn Flutter app. So it took me around 9-10 hours to do this app, I guess. Yeah, which is a good thing, I guess. Live streaming gives you like a amount of time for you to do this. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the previous stream because I guess you guys want to see the actual code. Let me remove this. Okay, so now let's go over here, and we know that continue, right, is going to be like, it's going to just basically pop away this screen. So what we're going to do, let's go to this continue. Sometimes I forgot what my widgets are. Let's see, what is my widget? Build button of answered question. Is it this one? No, I don't want. Okay, it's the UI that I'm looking for. So what is it called? Flutter. If you guys hear properly, right, can you guys hear the background music as well? So I guess it's like a chill kind of vibe. So I'm using like what's his name? Joma. So this guy. It's not, yeah. So I'm using like Joma's like lo-fi beats. So I guess I don't need it to be very loud. Maybe at this volume. Yeah. So it's like a chill place. Just comment out if it's like pretty loud. Yeah. But let me make it a little bit softer for you guys as well. Okay, so I guess you guys can hear a bit here and there. Right, so I guess what I want to do is I want to inspect some widgets, right? Because I forgot about this widget. Okay, so this widget is called Zukunf button because it's because I name it Zukunf. It's my company, but yeah, whatever, right? Whatever. So let me untoggle this, right? Oh, Can I untoggle? How do I untoggle? Inspect. Cancel widget inspection. Okay, cool. So now what I'm going to do, let me see your right. No, cool one. Right, yeah, it's cool, man. If you guys have any question on Flutter, I am happy to, you know, just talk about it. Okay, so there is this on press for this Zukunf button that we have created over here. The on press, oh, it's for show explanation. There's also an on press for our, there is a button for our builder over here, so it's solid. So if it has pick answer, then it says update completion true, right? So if it has pick answer, update. Okay, so has pick answer. Oh, okay. So if I don't pick the answer, what will happen? It probably doesn't do anything for this Zukunf button. So if I click submit, nothing happens, right? Oh, I should do that as well. Right. Okay, but I guess one thing we can know is that update completion. Let me see else if. Then we want the current completed answer. So this question notifier. Is that like a is completed? Sometimes I forget as well. You can get a current question. So current question is comrade. Oh, okay. If it's completed for this Zukunf button, right? So what we're going to do is we are going to just use navigator dot of context. Right, and then we're going to just pop. So what are your thoughts on the new navigator 2.0? I made a video about it. So I think the navigator is pretty okay, I guess. Yeah, okay, let me retry this again and see if it works. So if I click submit, nothing will happen, right? And then if I click on this, then if I click submit, then it will see the correct answer. And then if it's completed, if I click continue, it will exit. Oh, it didn't exit. Why did it not exit? Let's see what the debug console say. The boolean expression must not be null. Right, when was this happening? Okay, let me clear console first. So let's see. If I click here and if I click on this, okay, nothing happened. Wait, no, I shouldn't find anything. Okay, so if you were to submit, it says null, right? So it shouldn't be. Oh, kind of get it. Nope. So which is null? Has pick answer or is completed? I think both. Okay, what if I finished it, right? So if I were to click this, because this is just showing, oh, this shouldn't be null. So let me clear, submit. Okay, cool, nothing happens. Continue. Navigator did not pop. Or don't tell me that is completed is false. Cannot be what, right? Let me just restart this whole thing. Right. Abhishek, don't worry. The more you do it, the more you actually can, like, I would say, like, navigators, the default navigator is not it's doable. It's but I would say that the more you do it, the more, I guess, you probably not get over it, but you'll be better with it as well. Okay, so if I were to click this assignment 1, HSP answer is not null. Yep. Oh, it will go to HSP answer. Okay, so I probably have to do this, right? So I probably have to put if is completed. Wait, let me see. Or maybe I should put this inside here. No, sorry. Okay, maybe I shouldn't put this here. I think this is wrong. True. Okay, I mean this should be fine. Like this, right? So submit. Ah, yes. Nothing much. Click submit. Yeah, I kind of knew it. Hey, expression. So there was a error. Boolean expression must not be null, which is this one, right? This is what? Completed null. Is if completed null. How about this? So basically, if it's completed, which is null, it will become false. So we can grab like the required stuff. Okay, so if I were to open up my debug console, okay, let me clear console, let me go inside here, we click on like the first, okay, let's go to the second. All right, there's no null. If you were to continue, all right, great, we worked it out. Cool. Okay, so what if we were to just choose submit? All right, so I guess like, yeah, can't wait for null safety to come. So if it's completed is by default null. Okay, then I will put is completed its own like default null. Right, so at least when you hover over is completed, default null. So at least you kind of understand. Oh god. Okay. So if I were to pick a wrong answer, click on submit, it will still stay on the screen, and then it will show you the correct answer. And if you want to continue, it will just exit the screen. So this is what I wanted. All right, so that's pretty simple, I guess. So we can just add documentation. Add. Oh, no, I'm not finding. Okay, add doc. So I'm going to add a git commit saying that add doc about is completed initial value as null. I think this is a very small commit, but that's fine. The smaller the better. And this is basically add navigator pop once question is done, and navigator pop once question is done. Added in solid zukunf. Oh, zukunf button. Alright, so yes, thank you guys for joining me in this stream. Yeah, it's like hopefully this music is chillax with to you guys. If you guys have any questions, yeah, just shout me out. Alright, the next thing that we're gonna explore together is the bottom something. So this will pop up if you were to click on show explanation, right? Then it will pop out this thing, this explanation thing. So I guess it's called bottom sheet flutter, I believe so. Right, so bottom sheet, let's see, there's no example. Set live bottom sheet is a nice component given by material design. Let me zoom in for you guys as well. So what bottom sheet does is, where is the animation? So if you click this, the bottom sheet will come up like that, right? So you can, yeah. So check video. So I want the bottom sheet to be like covering the whole thing from the bottom. Because I think the bottom sheet is meant for like very small stuff, right? Yeah, so they don't really cover the whole thing, which is not really what I wanted. Model bottom sheet. So let's see, let's run this. Oh, it's actually some sort of what I wanted. Button, elevator button, ember. Oh, so it's a void function. Height, okay. So what if I put like 700? Right, then let's run this again. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, did it cover more? Shit, I really didn't see. Okay, let me put 1700. Let's run it again and see if it works. It has a maximum height, which is not what I wanted. We'll see. Yeah, I guess the current navigator is pretty, I wouldn't say easy. I would say it's manageable. It's not as, you know, as hard as learning Navigator 2.0. So that's why I feel that the current navigator is better than Navigator 2.0. But I guess yeah. I forgot there is a component that, oh god, Flutter, no, let's go pub dev. Always go provider. So Flutter, no, bottom, just write bottom. What are you doing? Nah, this is not what I want. Expander bottom bar, sliding. Modal bottom sheet. Is it this one? Right. Yeah. This is the one. September. Exactly what I wanted. So if you guys can't see, this really iOS modal shit. God. So I guess this is what I wanted. So if you were to click here, you can see that is exactly what I wanted. So yeah, I found it. Cool. Allow to set the initialization size of the bottom sheet. Because when using dragging, cool. As much as I like using other people's packages, it's something that I also don't really like because I have to maintain it as well. Hello, Emin. Full screen dialog. Oh, let me check whether full screen dialog helps. Full screen dialog. Let's see. Is it a I won't use a full screen dialog. Yeah, because the thing that I want is that it will come up from the bottom. That's the most important thing. Yeah, so iOS. Yeah, It's super iOS, man. I really like it though. So this is like very iOS, and material model is like a menu like this. So it isn't exactly what I wanted. Yeah. I know there is one where you're able to put it on top. So using like the Google Maps thing, I forgot, man, but yeah. Something like this. Expandable bottom bar. But it's when I pressed it, then it will become like that. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, bottom sheet is not exactly what I want. Okay, so I'm going to create this. Pretty. Explore the web demo. Clone the. Thank God for web demos. Oh wow, I like this. Right? Cool. Yeah, it's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's cool. You have this avatar model, or flute model. Wow. Oh my god. Cool. Oh my god, it's so cool. Right. Something like that lah. Reverse list. Ah. Sorry, I'm just looking at the different stuff. Oop. Oh, something is wrong. Wait. Touch here. There goes to another one. That's so cool. It's so iOS. Super iOS. Yes. Model in SS scroll. Nice. Page view. Yes. So I like the sorry if I'm just looking around. Yeah, so I'm using model bottom sheet for me to do this. Okay, so let me, hopefully it's not big enough. So it's model bottom sheet. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is probably need to create pop spec assist. So how are you guys doing this Sunday, man? What are you guys doing? Are you guys like watching my live stream? But yeah, so I guess bottom sheet model is something that I need for this project. Model bottom sheet, is it called model? Yeah, it is called model bottom sheet. So I'm using PubSpec Assist for me to, you know, search for the latest version of certain packages, right? So I really like PubSpec Assist. If you guys don't know, let me just PubSpec Assist. It's amazing. So I mean, other than like Dart packages, right? You can also use it for like oh, use add Dart Flutter. What? I think you can also add other stuff. Oh, this is only for Dart and Flutter. Oh, that's so sad. Ah. He died. Okay. Yeah. So I guess it's only for Dart and Flutter. Nothing else. Only for Dart and Flutter. Yeah. Okay. So let's create our model bottom sheet. What we can do is under our components, we are going to create explanation bottom sheet. Dart. Right, so we're gonna create a stateless widget, and then we are going to create a explanation modal, bottom modal, right? Is it bottom sheet? Sorry, bottom sheet. And then we are going to import our material library. So how to use this is to have this function show material model bottom sheet, and then you can use the different thingy. So you go to, so let's go to question screen, and then inside here what we can do is we can type in show model bottom sheet. All right, let's make this into a expression body. Right, so oops. Then what we need to do is we need to have context, which has context in it, and then at the same time, oh, we shouldn't do this, we should put a block body instead. We don't need to return the function. Then we will use a builder method which requires a function that returns, oh, you only use context. Is this the correct one? Oh, it's material. Oops, whoopsie daisy. Show material model bottom sheet. Show material model bottom sheet. Okay, then I can import this from package bottom sheet, and then it requires context and scroll controller. And then we are going to return our explanation bottom sheet. So let's type in return, and then we're going to put our explanation bottom sheet widget, and we are going to import it as such. Now we're gonna save this. Oh, we're gonna save everything. So we probably have to restart our app. Opaque. Okay, never mind. Let's restart our app. Alright, so how are you guys doing so far right now? Are you guys doing great? Thank you guys also for joining this live stream. If you guys if you guys want to donate, I have a, what do you call it, a super chat or something like that. Yeah, it will help. Also at the same time, right, I found something, right? So have you guys heard of this like adopt a widget kind of thing? Let me show you guys. So there is this thing called adopt a widget. So what this adopt widget does is like a campaign where you are able to contribute to the Flutter documentation, right? So like, so there is a list of issues that has the adopt a widget. So apparently there isn't much yet. But leave a comment on the issue asking to be assigned. The first person to respond will have the, yeah. So once you assign, set up environment, make the change, then you can join the Discord, and then you have your guidelines. So how you can contribute is you can add code by having a snippet, a sample, or a Dart pad, and then you also can have like add references like see also. You also can add more explanation to the documentation. Maybe I'll probably write like no, I'll probably create a video about this as well. Yeah, so there are 3 ways to contribute a code. Snippet it up. For more details, see the Dart doc generation readme. Interesting. Yeah. Cool. So this is how you create your own Dart documentation or your Flutter documentation. So snippets can be added as such, sample, or you can either create sample like, you know, example code, Then you also can, you know, create a dart pad as well. You can add references, so adding more explanation to the documentation, right? So I think this really helps a lot. Maybe I'll do it, we'll see. Open the code in IDE and such, commit, make a pull request, code sample. Right, that's so cool. So yeah, there's a lot of things like you can now adopt a widget, which is a pretty cool like thing. Because I think a lot of people are like complaining on the lack of documentation for certain widgets, right? So I guess like this will really help. And as well, I mean, it really will help the Flutter team, because I think the Flutter team is very involved in like creating new features for the Flutter ecosystem. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this inside. Oh no, what happened? Getter not found, opaque. Material. What is this, man? How to be consistent in coding, Abhishek? Oh, there's two Abhishek, sorry. So to be consistent in coding, you probably have to write code or code frequently. Um, you know, like I don't code a lot, but I code like maybe 3 times a week or so. But what you can do is you can, you know, create a project. So in order for you to finish the project, you need to code consistently. Okay, so there is a problem with this assert getter not found. So maybe, I mean, if I change the channel, because currently my channel is not in dev. Yeah, I mean the master channel, which is the most unstable Git branch for Flutter. So that's why I think having to be in dev will be a little bit more stable. We'll see. Let me git pull. Let me run Flutter upgrade. Sorry. Yeah. Chrome, bro, use Chrome terminal, Flutter clean, and Flutter pubget, and Flutter run. Sure. I'll see about that. Because for this is a pub cache thing, so it's more towards like, I believe the problem is more towards the version of Flutter not um, talking properly to the package that I want. So let's go to the model bottom sheet and see if there's any issues that I might, you know, face as well. So let me just remove everything. So there are certain issues. That's an issue. Let me try see if there's a better Flutter modal sheet package. Yeah, because I know there is one that's pretty good. The one that shows like, I forgot what is it, but yeah, the one that shows like the Google Maps thing. So like, I don't know which one is that. yes. I think this was this. Okay, so there is a problem with the different Flutter beta stuff thingy. Okay, cool. Let me see if this works now. Let me just close this. Okay, and let me open Visual Studio Code. So my guess was correct, is that the new or the different Flutter versions is breaking this bottom sheet widget. So let's see if this works. If I were to run this, is it okay now? Is it okay now? Come on guys, come on. No, it's a huge problem. Oh god, sorry if I didn't have the mic properly, but yeah, cross our fingers before. Yeah, 1.24. oh no, getter not found opaque. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new issue. Just gonna copy this. So currently there is an issue. There is an error saying that the getter opaque is not found. Then what I was saying, my current version of Flutter is can copy this. We go terminal Flutter doctor is 1.2463. Yep. So let's copy this, and then we're gonna put in like nah, we don't. Gonna put in a block code of some sort, you know, so it looks something like this. So let me press enter over here, something like this. So yeah, something like this I would say. It's the power of okay, I'm just gonna submit this as well. Okay, oh okay, yeah, it doesn't look good, but it's pretty annoying. Model page route, so the opaqueness is not found in 2.2 is a little bit annoying. Pre-release is 1.01 dev. So maybe I should put 1.01 dev. We'll see. Let me go to top spec YAML. This model bottom sheet. Yeah. Let's see if this works. Okay, it works. Builder. Let's see what the builder requires. The builder requires just one. Okay, cool. That's what people wanted. Okay, let's see if I can run this. Return this thing. Okay, cool. Oh. Alright, so let's run this. Hopefully it works. It's all about the debugging, right guys? It's all about the debugging. So how you guys doing, man? Oh my. Why is it like this? My mic, it always droops down. Oh, maybe it's the center of gravity. Shit, maybe you guys didn't hear me a lot, but yeah. Come on, man. So yeah, show your support for Learn Flutter code. Let me give you guys a custom emoji of elbow cough, because remember, elbow cough is Groot. Emoji skin. Is it working? Is it working? It's working! Oh god, wow, alright. Nice. Okay, so it's working now. Sweet! So apparently the 1.01 dev is working well. So is there like an example that I can see? You know what? I'm just gonna put this as, I don't know. I can't wrap it with like a normal sized box. Damn. Maybe a height of 400. Right? So let's see this. Let's go in the test. Right? So this will be under our show explanation. Oh my god, that's so cool. Right, sweet, it works. If I put 100, right, let's see. Okay, nice. That's so cool. Oh my god. Alright, baby, that's, oh my god, yes. Okay, so because I want to make it dynamic, I want to make it responsive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a media query. So the media query will be high. Go to media query dot something. Oh no. Sometimes my IntelliSense is not that great, which is fine for me. So size dot height. Okay, I'm gonna go and freaking so I'm gonna so what I'm doing right now is I'm just gonna make my own snippet, add screen size with media query. Pretty annoying. So the prefix will be height as well, like media query height, right? Then this will basically give me this. So the description is create a height variable according to screen height size. Okay, cool. Because I always keep on typing, which is annoying. So if I were to type in MQH, right, then it will pop up this thing. So if I click on this, it will pop up this. So yeah, that's what I've done so far for my previous thing, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna decorate we have a lot of params, bonds, whatever, material params, shape. So cool, man. So I'm gonna use the material model bottom shape. Yep. That's what I said. Okay. For the height, I will be multiplying it by maybe 0.8%. Then for the shape, this will be under what is it? Zukun button. Zukunv button is under the question screen. Cool. Yes, that's what I wanted to go. Okay. So under here we have shape, right? So what's the shape? So I want it to be border and then rectangle, something like that. RR. You know, I'm just gonna type shape. Cause yeah. Let's see if this works. Oh, it doesn't have rounded rectangle border. That's kind of weird. Let me see the documentation for the shape itself. Oh, I need to put in the border radius, right? Let's see, border radius. It's pretty annoying if I have to like. Then let me put 4. Does it work? Is it too small? It refreshes a lot. Yes, it's working. But the thing is, I don't want it to be all. Yeah, I I want, is there like a only? Oh, there is only. So we can put top left and top right. Cool. So top left, what will my radius be? So top left, I need a radius dot circular, and maybe it will be 20, some sort. What's my radius? Okay, let me check in my Figma. Figma, you can check your radius. So it's 18. Okay, I'm gonna put 18 then. So I'm gonna do the same to my top right. Alright, so we have that. Cool, let's save this. Okay, it doesn't really hot reload here, but that's fine. Sweet! Yeah, baby. Okay, now for explanation, bottom sheet will be 80%. Is it 80%? Let's see how much this is. I really don't know, you know. So this 1227 and 1171. So 1171 divided by 1227. 95%. Wow. I'll just do 80%. We'll see how it goes then. So if I were to click show explanation, it'll be like this. Whoa, nice. Okay, yes, it should be 95% around there lah. Right. Oh wow, it's covering everything. Shouldn't cover. Okay, maybe 93%. Yeah, something like that. Right? Oh my god, this is so nice. Oh yeah, it is. It's not an intelligence problem, Mount Randir, but it's more towards like my computer is lag. So the thing is that intelligence will like calculate or guess what kind of thing. If it doesn't calculate fast enough, right? And then if I were to do suggestion, then it will delete that for some reason. Yeah. So I would say it's my computer fault, but I mean, my computer is not exactly fast, that's why. But yeah, so I'm fine with it actually. Alright, cool. So now we have the height of this. Now, I'm just gonna do simple child widget. I like it that it's white, which is what I wanted. So let me put column. So as you can see, it's pretty laggy, a few seconds, and then yeah, you can see that it will auto delete, which is a little bit annoying. So, but it's fine, right? So sometimes you need to wait and be patient. Yeah. So I guess that's it. Then I will put like the word text widget, and I'll write explanation. Let's see how it looks like. Cool. All right. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, let's see. You know. Oh. So what's the space in between here? Is it alternate? 21. Okay, cool. 21. So I have my own snippet that is sized height or something like that, right? Then I'm gonna put 21. Then it will just show me. Cool. Nice, nice, nice. So what's the? It's 18. It's a Montserrat 18. So did I manually put in my text style? Let's see. Card title, card image. So go blue. Nope. Oh, it's just normal text widget. Let me see my min.dart. Let's see. Okay, fair enough. So I guess I'm gonna put a text style then. Theme dot of context dot text theme dot maybe hit 2 dialog shown. Yeah, this is like okay, that's big. Why is it so big? Okay, line 6. Perfect. It'll be very small. It's actually something that it's like, yeah, I guess so. Do we have Google Fonts here? Let me see if I have Google Fonts in my pub spec. I do have Google Fonts. So where did I put my Montserrat? Answer button challenge screen. Fair enough. So I'm gonna change this style to something like this. Then I'm gonna put this as 18, right? Okay. And font weight will be medium. What's medium? I don't know what's medium. Never mind. Let me import this as well. So there's no medium in font weight. If there is, I guess so. Normal, okay. What about 500? Okay, 500 is medium. Then the colors will be this color. Sweet! Nice! Nice. Okay, so you have your explanation in the middle. Then you have your text at the bottom. So I would say this is like, it can be a widget as well, but I have to think about it because different questions will be different. So yeah, but first let me solve the problem of having another text widget. So I guess, like for example, this text widget over here. Wait, why is it like that? Ah, okay. Oh, I need to put some padding as well. So I can add it inside my container. Hinsets dot symmetric. Yeah. Vertical 18. Oh, no, not vertical. Horizontal. Okay, cool. So I guess I have this is cool. So the thing is, if I don't have this end, right, it will go to the middle. That's the text will go to the middle. Yeah, so that's not what I wanted. So I'll probably have to put this inside a column, and then I have to put this main axis alignment to cross axis alignment to the start, which is the left. So you're going to type in cross axis alignment to the start, save this. It doesn't override. So that's the thing about, yeah, which is kind of annoying because it'll go to the start. Wait, let me put the word alignment here. We'll go to the yeah. Even though the cross axis alignment here is says start, but the text widget here is pretty much like this. Maybe what I can do is I can put this as flexible and see if it works. Probably not. Alright. There is an error. Yikes. Yeah, that's pretty annoying. Thing is, what you can do is you can put this as a row. and then it works because the row goes to the start. Yeah, something like that. So I mean, that's how you kinda can do it. Yeah, so I guess like row is a flex. Yeah, because row is something like a column, you know. It has min, axis alignment, start, max. Then cross axis, start. I mean center, correct? Yeah. So it's kind of annoying how it looks like. Yeah. In the sample above, column. Okay, how about this? Minimum, start, widget, all of this. Yeah, so layout is a little bit crazy. So I guess sorry if I'm like not speaking as much, but yeah, so I guess I'm going to end it over here. You know, so show explanation, you just scroll down. It's so nice. Yeah, I really like this. Okay, so I think that's about it for today. Yeah, so I'm gonna commit this and end this live stream after I commit this. So I'm gonna add explanation with 93% screen size, and then just add this, and then question screen, add function to show modal bottom shit. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you guys for joining me. I will end this live stream. Have a nice Sunday. Bye bye.